So let us discuss how we can write resonating structures in positively charged cyclic system. So let us consider a three-membered cyclic system. Now this molecule has a double bond and it is positively charged. We want to write resonating structures for this molecule. And we can write resonating structures by flowing the double bond. So if I shift this double bond here, now this carbon will be having positive charge because it has only 3 bonds. We can also flow this double bond here. Now this carbon will be having positive charge. We can try more. If I shift this double bond here, we will be having positive charge over this carbon. So what we are doing, we are shifting these electron clouds. We are shifting the double bond. So this is resonating structure 1, this is 2, this one is 3. And now if you see this resonating structure, this is same as resonating structure 1. So this is same as 1. So this is not a new resonating structure. So this means for this system we will be having 3 resonating structure. Now let us consider a 4-membered cyclic system. So each carbon has a hydrogen and there are 2 positive charges. So we can shift this double bond here to get the another resonating structure. So each carbon has a hydrogen and these 2 carbons having 3 bonds, so they will be positively charged. So we can shift this double bond here. So these 2 carbon will be having positive charge. We can shift this double bond here. And these 2 carbon will be positively charged. We can also try to shift this electron cloud here, and if I do that, the resonating structure I am getting is same as resonating structure 1. So this molecule is same as 1. So let us call this as 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So in this case, we are having 4 resonating structures. So you can see yourself, this double bond is basically changing its position. Initially this double bond is here, then it has changed its position, this double bond is here, and then this double bond is here, and finally it is here. So in the ring there are 4 positions, so we are having 4 positions for double bond. This means 4 resonating structures. So there are 4 possible resonating structure we have. Now let us try for this molecule, that is 5-membered ring. So we have covered 3-membered ring, we have covered 4-membered ring. Now let us try for a 5-membered ring. These positions are having a hydrogen. I am not showing this hydrogen. Now idea is again same. We can shift this double bond here. So this double bond is here. Now this carbon will be having 3 bonds. Let me show the hydrogen for clarity. So this carbon has 3 bonds, so it will be positively charged. We can shift this double bond here. So we will having a double bond here, a double bond here, and this carbon will be having a positive charge. Next time we can shift this double bond here to get the another resonating structure. So each carbon is having a hydrogen. Now this carbon will be positively charged. We can shift this double bond here to get the another resonating structure. So it will be having a double bond here and a double bond here, and this carbon is positively charged. If I try to shift one more time, that is this electron cloud goes here. Now the resonating structure I am getting is this one. So let us call this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this one 4, and this one is 5. Now this resonating structure is same as 1. Same as 1. So in this case we are having 5 resonating structure. If I want to write all resonating structure, we have to keep flowing the arrow so that finally I am getting a resonating structure that is same as initial resonating structure. So we have to flow the arrow. We have to flow the arrow till I get the same resonating structure or the same initial resonating structure. So let us try for this system. So we have tried resonating structure for this molecule. So this is a 7-membered ring. For this molecule, you will be having 7 possible resonating structure. You can try yourself. This double bond is shifted between these 2 carbons. So we will be having positive charge over this carbon. Now we can shift this double bond here. So this double bond is shifted between these 2 carbon, and this carbon will be having positive charge. We can shift this double bond here. And this carbon will have positive charge. So next time we will having a double bond between these 2 carbon. Now this double bond is here, and this carbon will be having a positive charge because there is a bond breaking for this carbon. We can shift this double bond here. Now this carbon will have positive charge. we can shift this double bond here. So we will have positive charge over this carbon. If I try more, I can shift this double bond here. And this is same as resonating a structure 1. So let us call this as 1, 2, and this one is 6, and this is 7, and this is same as 1. So for this case, we are having 7 resonating structures. That is possible. So you see, whenever we have a positively charged cyclic system, we have to flow a double bond so that final resonating structure is same as initial resonating structure. In the middle, whatever resonating structure I am getting is the unique resonating structures. So you have to try yourself to get the all resonating structures.